Man, I got to check out this awesome property yesterday. I was filming it for an out-of-town client, couldn't be here. But when I was filming, I was like, man, I need to share this with everybody. He doesn't want the property, so now I'm going to show it to you. Doesn't mean you won't want this property. Man, beautiful home, 777 East First Street in Midway. It's a 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home with 3,800 square feet. But the biggest reason I was there is because it has this amazing dock. And let me kind of just show you where it's located. Check this out. So it's about 45 minutes outside of Savannah. Not too bad, but like I just want to show you real quick. Look at this. And they dropped the price by $25,000, but this is the reason why I was there. Look at this beautiful dock. Watch this video. Tell me what you think. I'd love to hear your comments, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough for you. If I have to get it to my editor and all that stuff, it would take too long to get this video to you, so I'm just going to do it myself. But Midway is kind of, I mean, like I said, it's about 45 minutes outside of Savannah, but man, look at that. Getting a dock in this area, or getting a dock in the Savannah area is very expensive. For a decent dock, it's about $150,000. This is as you walk in right there, and you can go 2 different ways. Let's go this way first. And to the right, there's gonna be your primary bedroom, but here's the living area right there. Got your little fireplace going on right there, and then both the views out the back. But yeah, nice space in here. You got built-ins right there. Cool balconies up there. And then the kitchen is to die for. Holy cow, here's the dining room. And then come into the kitchen right here. Granite countertops, great cabinets. I like this butcher block style island with the gas stove. Like a culinary dream right there. And then you got your double ovens. Well, triple, is that triple? No, that's a microwave, right? Yeah, microwave and then double oven right there. And then the pantry's nice size. As you can see, fit all your culinary needs in there. Then let's walk out to, actually before we go out to the back porch, let's go to the primary bedroom real quick. Another wide open space action with, you get the ability to get out to the balcony, which is really cool. I love the tray ceilings going on right there. Nice size room, like I said. And then with the views that you want, and then you can close these shutters if you don't want everybody to see what's going on in here. Over here, tile floor, dual vanity. It's got that granite countertop. And then you got separate jetted tub and shower, tiled all the way in. And then you got a nice size closet with built-ins going on. Now let's go check out the porch. Right. You come out here, you can see you got a screened-in porch area right here, which is great. If you're not familiar with our area, you get a lot of what we call sand gnats. So having a screened-in porch is magical for times like this. There's a way to get down there from here if you want. The stairs, you got the screen door. That takes you down to the main event where we're trying to get to. But we're not going to go that way. This is, look at that decking for, you know, just a primary bedroom, or you can like grill out there and stuff like that. Let's go to the other 2 bedrooms upstairs first though. One bathroom on the first floor. There's a closet right there. Nice built-ins in here. And then got a good, nice view downstairs from up here. Dig that. Come in here. Nice size bathroom. Single vanity. Shower tub combo. And then the other bedroom. kind of just the opposite of the other one. A couple more closets in here. I wonder if this is a storage thing. Yeah, I know it'll be storage in here. There's a ton of storage in here. Let me get this light there. A lot of storage space in here. All right, we're back on the first floor. There's the kitchen. Now we're going downstairs. Laundry room. Get your sink. These are where the two garages are that you saw from the front. Got a full bath downstairs. It's 3 full baths actually. I don't know why they have it as 2.5. Here in this one side, you got a 1-car garage. And this one you can fit 2. Very nice little workshop they got going on. Now, look at this living space down here. Nice space. And then you come out to the back here. I like this patio. With the rocks they're using, and then go out to the main reason I'm here. Look at water. Beautiful. Keep water at all times. Looks like they're redoing these bricks, so I'm not going to step on them, but you could got a little grow going on right there. Walk around, you got this deck. Oh, they party out here, I'll tell you that much. And then of course you get this great view right here. Floating dock. I'll go up here just to give you a perspective of what's going on up here. Boat lift. Here's the house. And then you got this view right here. Pretty great. So that was 777 East 1st Street in Midway, Georgia. If you have a question about this home, just give me a call. 912-657-3544. Let me know what you think. I'm really curious to know. All right, talk soon. Bye.